Morning, guys. I just got out of the gym and I'm hearing all this crazy stuff going on. I'm talking about the Dream for All program, guys. The money is ringing out. You have till April 12th to lock yourself in on a property, and that's it. Money's gone. 300 million gone. This is amazing, guys. I thought it was going to last at least a month. Not even a month, guys. 2 weeks. It's gone. That's it. For all those families that are home shopping right now, lock in, guys, if you can. By Monday, I would suggest you get yourself locked in by Monday. Things are changing very quickly. Of course, other families are out there taking advantage of the program. Guys, that's it. It's amazing. Now, this is the thing. All the other CalHFA programs are still available, so you still can get down payment assistance, but just not the 20%, guys. You can still get the up to 5% with conventional or FHA. Take advantage of it before that's gone as well. Have a fantastic day and week. Have a fantastic day and week.